What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna go ahead and review the NICEHASH. I'm just gonna tell you the exactly all the things that you need to know before getting into the NICEHASH website and using it. So it is a platform where you guys can sell out your hash possession. So for example, you can rent out your mining rigs to the other person and they will pay you in the Bitcoins. So this is how it works actually. So you can set up your rigs according to a coin. For example, you can mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other coins, and that person will rent out your rig and will mine that coin and will pay you in the any currency, any cryptocurrency that you will want to get paid in. So this is how it works. So you guys can, as you guys can see that, it says that you guys can earn up to 0.014226111 Bitcoin a day. So this is a huge thing. So this is the phishing rate, the hash rate. So this is the basic boost and all that stuff. So you guys can buy the hash rate by renting out the other mining rigs, or you guys can simply sell your own rigs or rent out your own rigs over this platform. So this is how it goes. I hope you found this really helpful.